Justice League Battle of Metropolis over Georgia. We just subscribed to Pride Coaster Club, and you should too.
Come join us for the adventures of Pride Coaster Club. For the adventures of Pride Coaster Club.
Justice League Battle for Metropolis here at Six Flags Over Georgia. Let's go on inside and give it a ride. Right next to Superman Ultimate Flight. But no, that's later. It's all about Justice League for now. So let's go battle the Joker.
Really? You and your little team of dimwits are no match for what we have planned. Now that half of the Justice League is out of our head, we're having
Equality.
a time taking over Metropolis. We just can't wait for these victims and volunteers to come out here and join the party. It'll be a real blast.
All right, that's enough, Joker. Fellow citizens of Metropolis,
How you play the
truth
game.
is that we are taking the Justice League off the streets and in years now, they become lawless vigilantes with no regard for the safety of Metropolis or its inhabitants. Their imprisonment is long overdue. Only when I'm in control of Metropolis will true justice be restored to this great city. Trust me. If I could rid this city of these so-called heroes without the assistance of the Joker.
That's what I thought you were buddies. Let's not forget you called me.
Yes, it's true, I did call it. And while I prefer to work alone,
This new fog contains an antidote that will temporarily deposit the Joker back again.
Trying to stand me with those bastards all day. Get him, boys! You bad men! Pay for what you've done. Say goodnight, Superman.
please, I'll take him to LexCorp headquarters. You deal with these fools.
Follow me, Justice League. Bad idea following me. Hold still. It's a gas.
Hey guys, good thing we're all in one piece. Watch my back while I try to break into the security panel. We need to get into LexCorp to free the team. Blast those Lexbots, reserve team!
Good work! Those things were trying to take control of the battlefield. Let's get moving. I'm sure they already know we're here. I warned you about joining forces with the Justice League. You'll now face the full force of my plasma blast.
Well,
Over here, guys! Help us free the league!
Lexbots, target and destroy the intruders. It's over, Luthor.
Cover us, reserve team!
Blast those Lexbots!
I got this! Hold on, we got away. No! Let's move! Coming up! Look out!
We'd like to make you all honorary members of the Justice League.
Okay, gang. Let's check out how you scored on your mission.
Great job. Nice job. Nice shooting, team.
You should be very proud.
Now let's see who took the top spot. Booyah!
How about we celebrate with some laughing gas?
Please put your plasters away and get ready to answer at the end. See you next.
Me with the gun. And of course, as in any good ride, it ends in the gift shop. Can't go wrong with the gift shop ever, guys. All kinds of fun, cool, random things in here. Love that. Very much so. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that POV of Justice League Battle for Metropolis. It was always a good time on there. I love the shooting aspect of it and just a super fun, like, dark ride, shooting ride in general. I mean, you can't ever go wrong with it. Always a good time when you visit any Six Flags park for that. So for whatever you guys do, don't like the video, don't comment, don't share, and don't subscribe, because then you can't see cool POVs like that. So with that said, you never know what other random POVs I might film for you. Maybe I'll film the Great American Scream Machine. Maybe I'll film one for something in Galaxy's Edge. You never know. Either way, love you guys. Stay safe, beautiful, amazing, and yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe if you feel like it. But it does help the YouTube algorithm very much so. So love you guys. Laters.
Come join us for the adventures of Bright Coaster Club. For the adventures of Bright Coaster Club.